Hello everybody, welcome to this channel, welcome to Traded. So guys, I'm really sorry I took a break because I went on vacation with my girlfriend for a little over a month, just enjoying. um I've been following the market still, but just taking a few days off. I mean a few weeks off. So I know you are not here to listen to me talk about my life, so let's get straight into the market. Now we have seen a little bounce since yesterday. Yesterday, when I last looked at the market, the market cap was at $304 billion. Now we are 330. That's like more than 25, around 25 billion injected in the market overnight, guys. So yesterday I made some plays. I bought about Nano and also Ontology, and they have been big gainers today. Ontology, I should have bought ZRX, but I didn't put a trigger on that one. But I bought Nano and Ontology, and they like back to back, 17 and 17. I mean, Nano has bounced back, but still not as good as I thought. I thought Nano will be in the 30% gains today, but I guess I cannot speed on 17% gains. Definitely not. So are the bulls back, guys? Listen, if you take a look, stock. If you take a quick look, the stock market tanked yesterday. Not even tanked, but just took a little dip yesterday going through this morning because of Italy political turmoil, as you see. Now, I want to say that I have noticed a pattern where when the stock market crash, it is like all those stock traders move their funds into crypto to avoid the tank and to make a quick gain. So I will be a little skeptic about this um, pump, but I'm not gonna lie to you. Yesterday when I bought, I thought that we was oversold and we were supposed to see a pump, and that's what happened. And I think this just made the pump way bigger than I thought than it was supposed to be. Now, I'm not going to say that the bulls are not back. I will just say to be very cautious. We could be back on track. As a matter of fact, I want to talk about it. If you see, we have been trading in a tight, very tight range for the last 6 months. No, I mean 3 months. For the last 3 months. So the tighter the range get, the more powerful the break will be. Ideally, we will stay in this range for maybe a couple of weeks, going through June, and then mid-June see a break, hopefully a bull break. A lot of people are saying that we are going to. By a lot of people, I mean some technical analysis. I'm sorry, guy, I still cannot speak. So a lot of TAs have said that we are going under uh, 6,000, and we are going to. Some are saying 1,400 Bitcoin, 3,000. That's far fetched. I don't really think that we are going to 1,400 Bitcoin. Because it just doesn't. It won't. It won't be healthy for the market. A lot of people are saying that yeah, Bitcoin need to retrace that much for it to be a healthy correction. It's not the case. It won't be healthy at all. What will be healthier for Bitcoin will be to not dip below 6,000. And if we see a dip 6,000 acting like a strong support, because if that 6,000 mental support break, it will be very bad. Now it will be very, very bloody. Now we are far from 6,000. We are 74, 7,500, as you can see. My bad. So we're still good. I think I don't. I still didn't have exited my position. I have only booked a 50% profit because I still think that we can go a little higher, but with Wall Street, you never know what's going to happen. Um, I have also, it is 447 here. So most of the time when day traders book their profit at 6 p.m., market tank. So, you know, a lot of times that's when I make my buys, or early in the morning at around 7:15 in the AM, or 8:15, you know, because when day traders enter and exit the market, they will take their funds with them. A lot of people right now, most people were in the sideline watching. They thought that we will, because if you guys remember, we was at 7,000 yesterday, 7,100. A lot of people thought that we will be breaking 7,100. I did think that we could be breaking 7,100, but I didn't believe that it will come that fast, because we have been tanking for like 4 days straight. We had to find support somewhere, and that was there. And people that play the bounce, you know, almost every coin is in the red today. So, it is important to, trade in the oversold condition. Yesterday, Bitcoin was really oversold, so we had to. So that's why I made a trade, and I was back yesterday. I was back from, what is it? I was back from vacation yesterday, so I made a quick profit. I guess I didn't miss much, because Bitcoin hasn't been doing much ever since I left. When I left, it was around 7,500, 8,000. Now it's the same thing. So that is that. So that's it for this video. I think that uh, we will see a break before mid-June. If we don't see a break at that time, um, it will come before the 20. That's for sure, guys. I know a lot of people say don't make bold prediction, but I'm sure about that. We'll see a break before the end of June. That's for sure. I think it will come before mid-June. If it does not, it will come before the 20th of June. Mark my word, guys. You can cut me on this video next time if what I say don't happen, which is very unlikely. We'll see a break. I'm not saying that we'll not dip further before that break. It is possible. It is also possible that we will only go up from here. But this year is not like last year. Last year we had seen amazing game, just it was an amazing bull market, just a few days of red. But this year is the complete opposite. We see just a few days of green and months of red. That's why I was able to take a vacation, because I knew that the price wouldn't change. Last year I didn't take vacation. I was working 24 hours. I was looking at the screen charts every day. But right now is the time to make research about the project that you are interested in, and find good buying opportunities and enter the market. Do not FOMO, guys. You know do not FOMO. But I'm not saying that the run is over for today. It might go up, like it might go down. I'm looking for at the bigger picture, because it is almost impossible to predict the predict Bitcoin for the next week, because it is so heavily manipulated. And I want to show you an article. Just write Bitcoin in Google, you know and let me show you something. I would be shocked if Bitcoin price were manipulated. I read this yesterday. I mean, yeah, yesterday night, and this article is very interesting. You guys should take the time. It is on Forbes. I will link it down in the description. Just take your time to read it. It's a very interesting article. And yeah, Bitcoin is manipulated, like the stock market is manipulated. Everything is manipulated in this world, because the rich want to get richer. So you need money to make money in this market. You need money to be able to manipulate the market. Now, if you don't have that kind of money, you need to follow the big money. Where is it? What they are doing? Follow their move, because they are not stupid. And if the things go against what they plan, they will crash it. They won't let nobody run over them. So just be careful, guys. My advice would be to look for a great project to invest, and diversify your portfolio. Have some moonshots, of course, like we all want the Lambos, but have some safe project that will not fluctuate as much as the moonshots. And just put enough that you think you will be good, and not too much that you will be pulling your hair out if you lose the money. Just invest in the long term. Invest when the market is down, and wait couple months, 4 months, 6 months. Wait until the end of the year. My plan is not to cash out until, when I mean cash out, is take all of my money from the from exchange it, from ledger, everything, until end of this year, December, going early January, because I think that we still have way to go. I think 25,000 Bitcoin by the end of the year is is a um very low target. We was shooting at for 500,000 in January. People were saying Bitcoin is going to 500,000 next year. I didn't believe that, but I thought that we will be able to reach 100,000. I'm still not. I would say 50,000 is not far-fetched, but 25,000 for sure. So don't, guys, this is the time when you invest, when everybody is desperate, when everybody left the market because they are so scared. They don't know why it's still going down, why it's never stopping. This is when you invest. That's why, when if you bought yesterday when everybody was scared, you will make amazing gains. But that's it, guys, for today. Make sure to leave a like, and leave your comment down below. Let me know what you think about the video, and I'll catch you next time. And I promise that from now on is I'm dropping video daily. Bye, guys.